Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Bezzera espresso machine, and after we did a tune-up, so let's go ahead and pull a shot. We're not getting great crema right now. This coffee is a little bit old. And then I'm going to try to froth the milk with one hand. I don't have anything to hold this camera, this iPad. So the way you start is by raising the steam on, just like that. And then try to set it on top of the machine. And then you put the frothing one in here, and you want to try to get a whirlpool at the top, and you slowly move the pitcher down. And my levels are a little bit. So this is 2 big levels here. And you want to try to keep the bubbles small. And so yeah, if you get those big bubbles, and then once the pitcher becomes too hot to hold, then you know it's hot enough. But you can see how the bubbles are a little too big here. But you can help homogenize it by tapping it, and then swirl, tap, swirl, tap, swirl. Ideally you want it to look like wet paint, but as you saw, the bubbles were too big there. So now it's not very homogenized. It has more of a cappuccino type froth on the top. But you can see how it gets pretty thick. So show you with a spoon. So you can see it's pretty thick. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our video. Thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.